Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in this week's Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. It's about 2 p.m. and at this junction, Nifty has corrected about, I would say, 0.5% and Bank Nifty has corrected about 1%. So today's Bank Nifty fall is primarily because of Axis Bank results. And this is going to be a week, the next week is going to be a week of quarterly results, and those results may trigger some kind of a action in certain stocks, and also results like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank can change the direction of banking index. So Bank Nifty can be in focus. Now what is going to happen? Today there is a Reliance Industries result, upcoming result for the quarter, and tomorrow over the weekend, Saturday, we have a result of HDFC as well as ICICI Bank. Okay, in the coming week as well there is a result of Kotak Bank or important banks, and this probably is the phase which I was referring to in last week when I mentioned about that price action after SAP will be a bit volatile, right? So this kind of a volatility is often is something that traders cannot sense how it is actually taking place, and once it takes place it takes everyone by surprise. But at the same time, I think as per the analysis, I feel that this is not going to be another correction. This can be a dip, this can be a higher low, wherein you should be able to identify the stocks and enter into those stocks at a better prices, and then look for the next upwardly rally or uptrend rally. I have a 15-minute chart of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty in front of me, and as of now if you take a look, the structure seems like a corrective structure. If I change this to hourly time frame, so on hourly time frame it is showing some kind of a higher high and higher low, and this is in a corrective phase for now. Important point to note is that both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty are currently trading below the semi-annual pivot which was out on 14th of July, and both these indices are currently below these levels. So at this point in time, I will not get into any kind of a prophecy or any kind of a bottom formation or a top formation kind of announcement. I would rather like to wait for another 3-4 days, and in coming week we'll get clarity about the ongoing trend is what my understanding is. But let us go and try to dig deep into the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty trend. But before we move on to individual charts, let us take a look at the monthly chart of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So on a monthly chart of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty right now, as we can see that Nifty right now is little shy of the all-time high level. Bank Nifty on the other hand has reached to an all-time high level, and from there it is kind of showing some sign of a reaction or some kind of a selling that is taking place. Now please understand that Bank Nifty has reached to an all-time high before Nifty has reached. So I am not expecting a bigger correction over here. Rather, whatever is going to happen can be a sideways action for Nifty. Even right now, it seems like a sideways kind of action, which is in a way hindering Nifty to go above this level of 25,600 and to reach to a new all-time high. So this is going to take its own sweet time, but during these times, the leaders of the Nifty corrective phase, like the stocks which reached to an all-time high during March, April and May, you just go back and take a look at how these stocks are behaving. You will realize, you'll be surprised to see that majority of the stocks are not correcting, they are not showing deeper selling, they are just consolidating in a particular range. Take a look at a stock like ICICI Bank, take a look at this stock like Bajaj Finance, and these stocks you will see that they are in a way accumulating or they are consolidating in a particular range. Now moving on to Nifty, currently on a daily chart, Nifty is taking support at a 50 EMA, can be a very good level from where the bounce can come. I will wait for a day or two, Monday, Tuesday, and then on, because see, the thing is that when it is about the quarterly results and the price action that is coming in reaction to results, then the analysis, in my opinion, that does not work from those levels. Typically what happens is that it is the action which is based purely on those result announcements and the market movers where they want market to move. Let's say someone wants to buy ICICI Bank, or they want to, let's say, buy Reliance at a lower price. So these will be opportunity for them to create a new shorts and take the market to a lower level, and whenever that desired level arrives, they will just quietly go and buy, or their orders will get filled over there. So it is going to take some time, and best is that on these kind of events, like the events which are known to some of the people and not known to most of the people, these are the event best left to the market, and then we will trade upon confirmation. There is no rush, there is no hurry to trade, to catch bottom, to catch a particular move, to not miss out of a trade. So it is better that we wait over here. Nifty on individually, if we take a look at the hourly chart, it is currently at the lower range of the level. So weekly range that we had calculated of 25,400 to 25,000. So we are at a lower level of this 25,000 range. This target is reached, conquered, and most likely we will find support somewhere here, and from these levels we should see the market bouncing back. Unless and until that happens, it is better that we keep quiet and observe this. The range for this upcoming week is going to be 24,800 to 25,200. Okay, this is how I look at the range. Now it becomes very essential that the high to be taken out. Now this low was important, the low is taken out now in today's action. So naturally this is null and void, this action is null and void. So from these levels, somewhere around here we will find a support, and then the next leg of bounce will come. So I'm reviewing this path as well now, for now, and let us observe how this action actually goes. Cool. Okay. So far it is a shallow retracement in my opinion. If you take this low and this high and look at this retracement, it is shallow retracement, about 23% retracement, and can still retrace a bit, maybe up till 24,800, or maybe the low is formed over here. I really don't know. Once we get a confirmation on the basis of whatever the announcements are going to take place about the Reliance Industries result, HDFC and ICICI, then accordingly we'll get some clarity about the ongoing trend. Unless and until the levels are not taken out. What do I mean by levels? If we take a look at the hourly chart, so currently the price is below both these EMAs. So hourly trend right now is bearish, and unless and until price either bounce back between these two EMAs or bounce above the 50 EMA, we cannot be sure that the uptrend has resumed, right? So I don't want to be anticipating, I do not want you to be anticipating, and let us observe, wait for the price to confirm, and then and only then we'll align our trades in the same direction. So currently the range for Nifty is 24,800 to 25,200 is something important. We want price to sustain about 24,200. The SAP is here at 25,310. That is still a little far away, I would say 300-400 points. So let us wait and observe how the price is actually taking place. As for Bank Nifty, we are very close to SAP. The SAP is at 57,000 somewhere. Let me just copy it from here. So copy this line, bring it to Bank Nifty chart and just paste it. Right. So this is at 57,091, which is where the SAP is, not far away from the current price action. And for Nifty, I'll just copy this and I'll place it over here. Right. So this is where the SAP is. Unless and until we are above SAP, the price may show some kind of a retracement. So we have to wait and watch. Right now, if we take a look, the range which I have not calculated for many weeks now, let us calculate it now today, because so far the analysis was going as per the expectation. This is the week where this selling has taken place. So we have 56,117 and not 53. So from 56 we'll go to 57,000. Right, so this is how I am looking at it. So low around 56,000 can be crucial, significant, and from there we can see some bounce is what my expectation is. If we break down below this, then it is better, preferential, ideal to wait and observe before the price starts reacting near 50 MA on hourly time frame. Until then we'll have to wait. This is a dip to buy, so I am going to avoid shorting this market. I keep on saying this again and again because currently it is not as per the setup to short the market for positional trade. For intraday, those who are willing, those who are interested can definitely short basis the setup if it is supporting your view. If you take a look, quick look at the ratio chart, Bank Nifty and Nifty ratio chart, so you will realize that because of today's gap down, the Axis Bank result fiasco, that has caused the ratio chart to change the trajectory, change the trend for now. Hope this is a higher low, and from these levels the Bank Nifty should start outperforming again. But this is in a way a kind of mirror that you take a look into before you place your trades in Bank Nifty or Nifty. So keep these things in mind, keep it simple and trade what is favorable risk to reward ratio for you. Do not place too many trades or a bigger quantity trade at this point in time. There is still ambiguity about the trend right now, so it is better you keep your position sizing small. Keep things simple. If you have any questions, do drop me a comment. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.